Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can basically install the ChatterBox TTS and n8n locally. So the benefit of it is that basically you will save a lot of money uh, on tools like ElevenLabs and many other tools that actually helps you with text to speech, right? So for example, let's say if you want to generate a speech from your text, in that case, if you know, like, you have to use ElevenLabs because that is widely popular. And again, let's say if you want to use any other tools such as like Cloud Kokoro TTS or Chatterbox TTS, basically you have to pay for that, right? So now these are the open source platforms or the tools that actually helps you to install this on your local machine, right? So that way basically you save tons of money monthly on these softwares, right? So, and again, let's say it is very useful if you have a heavy usage where like you are actually generating a lot of text to speech on a daily basis. In that case, this is going to save you thousands of dollars easily on a monthly basis, right? So that's how important it is. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can basically install step by step ChatterBox TTS and n8n locally, and you can basically run that. Now, one thing that you have to keep in mind is that for this to happen successfully, you have to have a really good capable machine, because it actually is, let's say if you have a GPU, then it's a cherry on the top, because with GPU it is going to run really smooth and efficiently. But let's say if you don't have and you only have a CPU, still you can install locally and you can basically run it, but it is going to be a bit slower, and sometimes it will basically gives you the errors as well, timeout error, or like sometimes it will stop running, right? So again, in this video you will see that as well, because again, I don't have a really good configuration on my MacBook, and also I have a lot of resources already occupied with some other applications that I'm using on a daily basis. So you will see that whenever like I'm going to install this, it will stuck a lot, right? And you will see the errors as well. But again, the purpose of the video is to like to show you that how you can basically install it from 0 to 1, so that let's say if you want to install it locally, you can easily do that. And also I'll be giving you the link of the document that actually have a step-by-step guide on like how to install it locally, both n8n and Docker and ChatterBox TTS, right? So now let's get start with the video. So basically this is the let me show you like how you can approach this. So basically there are the two basic way of installing ChatterBox or using ChatterBox TTS. One is cloud and the second one is locally, right? On the cloud, basically you can use RunPod to host it on that, and then basically you can use. Now that will going to cost you like $5 to $10 a month on a minimum side. On a maximum side, it depends on your usage. Let's say if you have a really heavy usage where like you're creating 500-600 minutes of speech, text to speech, then it will basically easily cost you like $30-40 a day, which is going to be around like $1,000 a month, right? So now if you really want to save that cost, and if you really have a powerful machine, you can use the second way, which is like locally, where basically you can use Docker to host it locally on your machine. And again, the benefit of that is basically it is secure and no one can basically use your data, right? Whereas like if you use it on your cloud, so basically you don't have a control over your data, and you don't know like how it is going to use by these companies like RunPod and all of that, right? So again, locally it has its own benefits and cons. But yeah, so now let's see basically how you can install it locally. So first of all, first step is like always, if you are doing this for the first time and if you don't know how to do it, so first step is like install Docker. And for that, go docker.com, and over here basically you can download the Docker. This is on the operating system that you have. Like let's say if you have Mac, you can download any one of this which is most suitable for you. If you have a Window or a Linux, you can also download that as well, right? So again, there are multiple options of downloading based on your OS. Now once you download it and once you create an account and log in into your account, then basically the next step is like you have to install n8n, right? And for that, go to come to this docs.n8n.io slash hosting slash installation slash docker, and over here basically you can find this. So just copy this one, and now I'll be doing it with you. So let me open this again. In my case, you will see that I already have an n8n folder in my local machine, so that it will not basically install it from the scratch, right? So so now what we'll do is that we'll basically install n8n in our Docker locally. So basically for that, you just need to come to this particular document from n8n itself, and then basically from here, just copy this command and open your Docker. Of course, like before you do anything, I just sign into your account, and then basically in the bottom you can find terminal, right? Just click on that, and over here basically paste that command from the n8n, right? Let me see if I have copied or not. Okay, it's copied, and now paste it over here and then click enter, and it will start running again. Over here you can see unable to find image, but in some time it will start pulling the latest image of n8n, right? And once it will be finished, basically we will get the local access of the n8n, and then I'll show you that how that looks like, right? So basically that's how basically you can start with n8n locally, and I hope till now you are actually loving this video, and if yes, like this video, share this video, and also in future I'm going to bring some more videos that will actually help you to host all of these open source tools on cloud, again, because that is very important, because I believe that a lot of people has a really low configuration machines, and because of that you cannot use any tool or solution locally. Otherwise it will eat up a lot of your resources, and it will basically make your system a bit slower, right? And that actually lead to a stuck and lag and all of that, right? So I think yeah, this is done. Now basically let's see where the n. So like over here in the container you will see the port that has been assigned to n8n instance. So again, this is the port where you can from where you can access the n8n locally. So now let's click on that, and once you click on that you will basically get the. So again, I already have n8n already installed previously, so that's why I do it doesn't ask me to create account. Let's say if you're doing it for the first time, it will basically ask you to create your account, so just create that, and you will get the activation key on your email, right? So for that, once you get that, copy that, then click on setting, come to usage and plan, and click on enter activation key, right? And then once you paste the key over here and then click on activate, it will be activated, and then now you can basically use all the paid features from n8n. Now once that is done, next thing is like we need to install ChatterBox locally. So for that, what you need to do is that basically just come to this document again. You can find that on this particular GitHub repo as well, but again, to make things simple, what I did is that basically I've added all the commands in the document. So basically you don't need to go to GitHub and then you need to find that by yourself, because that, if you're not technical, that process is going to be a little complex and also difficult for you to find exactly that, and also little difficult to understand as well, right? So now once now for to install the ChatterBox TTS, just copy this command. Again, I don't need to copy this command because I already have installed and folder in my local machine, but if you're doing it for the first time, just copy this command and let it run for a few minutes, and once it's installed, basically then you can copy this command and you can, let me create a new terminal. So yeah, start a new terminal and let me paste it over here, right? So now I'm like into my folder of ChatterBox TTS server, and now once I'm into that, so let me see if there's a, yeah. So now basically I have to run this command for CPU only. So basically if you have a CPU on your machine, if you're running your machine on CPU instead of GPU, you have to copy this command. Also I'll be pasting down a GPU command as well if you have a GPU, and if you have that, that's a good thing, because then in that case ChatterBox TTS or any other application will run very smoothly, right? So now I'll copy that and click on enter, and then now it will basically load the image and create the container for ChatterBox TTS, right? Meanwhile, what we can do is that basically over here, let me just give you the little walkthrough of n8n if you don't know what is it and how does it work. So basically, this is the latest image of n8n where n8n has like just changed few design element and also also added some animations as well into their into their interface. Now over here, basically you can find two options: overview and personal. And overview like basically gives you the list of all the workflows, credentials, executions, variables, and data tables, right? Credentials means let's say if you want to connect any sort of application, for that you need to enter the API key, or like uh, you have to do auth sign up, right? So all of those will be stored in the credential section. Okay, and execution means like over here you can see all the list of executions that that your workflow has done, right? So, and in the personal, basically you can see it folder wise. Let's say if you create a folder, you can see that in a very organized manner. And now if you want to create a workflow, click on this create workflow, and basically if not, you can also create a workflow by clicking on this plus icon, and then you can basically create a workflow, right? On the bottom you can see templates, insights, helps, and settings. So templates means like there are predefined templates from the n8n community where like other people have created a really good template. So basically you can access that, you can directly use it. If you find anything that is most suitable for you, you can directly take it from there and then you can use it instead of creating it from scratch, right? So sometimes taking the templates from other people is a good idea to save time, right? So you can do that. Basically help, if you need any help, you can contact their customer support. You can basically go to forums, you can go to documentation, and if you find your answers from there, you don't need to contact customer support, right? Otherwise you can basically contact that if you have a cloud version. Again, in the self-hosted version you cannot do that, right? And in the settings you can find different settings, which will not go into that, otherwise it will take a lot of time. But now I think, yeah, ChatterBox has been installed, and then port has been assigned already. So now let's click on that, and yeah, see, we can now access the ChatterBox, right? And then we can also access the API. So now API is the most important part of it, right? Because over here basically what we can do is that, let me show you, create a workflow, and these are the endpoints. So basically, let's say if you want to get the predefined voices, you can get it through API. Now first of all, let me show you the interface of ChatterBox. So over here you can see there are two components: predefined voices and voice cloning. In predefined voices you can choose any predefined voices from the list of the voices that is here. And voice cloning means, let's say if you want to clone your own voice, you have to basically import your voice over here, then it will basically mimic that very easily, right? Now in the bottom you can find load example presets, like let's say if you want narration style audio, if you want monologue style audio or something like that, you can select any one of this from here. And basically you can also set the temperature, exaggeration. Now what is exaggeration? Let's say if you want uh, if you want if you want a little bit of stretch in your speech, you can increase that. But again, I would highly recommend to keep it between 1.3 to 1.5, because that's the sweet spot and your audio will be really good. And also if you want to increase the speed of the speech, you can do that as well. Again, you can if you want a really good speech, you can do up to a 1.5, but not more than that, right? But you can explore that, you can experiment with different speed factor, exaggeration, temperature, and all of that, and basically you can see which one is like most suitable for you. Right now over here basically you can edit all of these parameters by yourself. Again, I'll not go into that because this is going to take a lot of time, and also some of this I don't know like how to use it, so that's why, to be honest, I don't want to go into that, right? But yeah, in some other videos where we'll see the practical and in-depth tutorial of TTS, then in that case we will go through each and every uh, parameters of that. Right now let's look at the API. So now let's say if I want to get a predefined list of predefined voices that are there in the ChatterBox TTS, so click on try it out, click on execute, and here you will get the curl setup, right? So now go to just copy that curl setup, go to n8n, play search for HTTP request, and over here click on import curl. And then once you paste it over here, click on import. Oh man, I think this is not again. Okay. Oh, I think this is because of my n8n instance is not working. Yeah, so this is the error that I wanted to talk about. So basically, let's say if you have a really low configuration machine, so n8n or any particular image or container will automatically stop to basically minimize the usage, right? And that exactly happened with me here as well. So let's say if you have a low configuration, you will run into this kind of error where sometimes your instances will work, sometimes it won't work, right? So that's why I always recommend you to either upgrade your configuration, or you can basically host it on a cloud, right? So again, the purpose of this video is just to show you that how you can host it locally. But in conclusion, if you have a configurations like me, you must have to host it on a cloud. You have to rent a cloud server, and then basically you can have to host it, right? And we will see those videos in future as well, where I'll be showing you how you can basically host all of this on RunPod, and basically you can run everything from there. Again, I'll show you how you can host n8n in hosting or any different VPS. Right now I have hosted my n8n in Contabo VPS, where I'm like just paying $10 a month, which is like half of the cost of the actual subscription from n8n Cloud, right? And to host it on cloud, ChatterBox TTS or Coco TTS or something, or like similar to like other open source platform, you have to basically use RunPod or any other services, right? Like that, right? So in future, I think in upcoming weeks, I'll be also uploading the video around that. So stay tuned for that. So now I hope you like this video, and also I'll be sharing the entire workflow of like how to use API, ChatterBox TTS API from the local, and basically I'll give you that workflow in our community. So if you haven't joined the community yet, so I'll highly recommend you to join this community. So let me just show you that what you will get in the inside the community. So yeah. Yeah, so inside the community, basically, right now it is we are in a like very early phase. But once you join the community, we actually promise you to get your first client in 90 days. If not, we will refund your entire amount of entire 3 months of amount, right? And again, this is the lifetime. Right now, we are running a lifetime offer where first 93 members will be able to join it for the lifetime price, and you don't need to pay then after that, right? So in that lifetime access, you will get 13 plus exclusive money making automation workflows, 14 days cold email challenges, monthly step-by-step guide, goal high level training as well, plus snapshots. And also, most important thing, first 2 months of LinkedIn Sales Navigator that will actually help you to uh, set up your LinkedIn DMs workflow, and actually enable you to get your first client as well through cold DMs and cold emails, right? So these are the perks that you will get if you join the community, and all the setup guide and everything that you have seen here, you will be getting that inside the community. So like just join the community, um, post your first post in that, and access all the resources that I have mentioned in this particular video, right? So yeah, if you have any questions about the community and everything, you just comment down below, and I'll be happy to answer all of that. So I hope you find this video really helpful, and if yes, like this video, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.